In today's video, we'll be discussing how much it actually costs to build your van out. Every time someone sees us out in public, they always ask, how much did it cost? And we're here today to tell you exactly that.
In order to keep this simple, because it could be broken down in so many different categories, we only chose 7 categories and put everything in these 7 categories. They're aesthetics, appliances, bones, electrical, plumbing, propane, and tools. The first category is aesthetics, which includes the cushions that I'm currently sitting on, all of the cabinet hardware, all of the paint, all of the stain, the trim around the doors, and anything that actually makes the van look good. So that total came to $992.95.
Greetings from the inside of our refrigerator, which brings us to our next category, which is appliances. This includes our refrigerator, our hot water heater, our heater, the oven, and also the fans on the roof. This category was $4,479, and the bulk of that expense was literally the refrigerator. It consumes 1/4 of the total expense because we wanted a super efficient refrigerator that didn't use much energy at all.
Our next category is the bones, which is the structure of this entire operation. It includes the insulation, the furring, the flooring, the ceiling, our heated floors, our roof rack, all of the woodwork, the cabinets, everything like that, the shiplap. It all totaled $7,188.16.
Next up, the electrical. This includes our solar panels, our lights, our battery bank, our inverter, our shore power, literally all of the wiring throughout the entire van. Anything that power goes through or power is created by, this is all included in the electrical. And the grand total is $7,169.26. Whew, that was a big one.
Plumbing is our next category, which includes all of the faucets, the fixtures, even in the shower, the sink, the gray water tank, the freshwater tank, the remote fill, all of the PEX piping, clamps, all of that. Anything that passes water through it is included in this total. And that total comes to $3,313.24.
Next up, propane and propane accessories. This includes the remote fill, the propane tank, all of the lines, and all of the connectors that make this system work. The grand total is $1,097.15.
Our last category is tools. Thankfully, we were able to have access to a lot of tools from Ben's parents that we didn't have to purchase. But we did have to purchase a lot of the hole saws and the drill bits, and we even had to purchase a circular saw because ours burned up, and we also had to purchase a router to route in the heated floors. That total came to $750.31. The grand total was $24,990.07.
What?
Yeah. Granted, you could build this definitely for a lot cheaper than we did, but we didn't want to skimp on anything because we are living in this full time. This is our house. So we wanted to make sure we had everything necessary and everything that we wanted inside this house.
Hopefully this helps you budget for your van build. As Jelaine said, I have no doubt you could do it for cheaper. If you've seen any of our other van build videos, you see that we make plenty of mistakes. We've bought plenty of unnecessary things that we couldn't return or we didn't end up using, or we cut a tiny little piece off of a section of $80 plywood. Also, building prices are through the roof right now for any type of material. I'm sure you've heard about the situation. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions about any of the prices, hit us up in the comments. If not, check out our van build playlist. We list all of the prices for every single project that we do. We're Ben and Jelaine with Nomadic Visuals, and we'll see you in the next one.